Hey y'all, today's turbo tip is how to make metal look old and rusty simply using Mod Podge and some ground cinnamon. To start, you're going to take a paintbrush and apply your Mod Podge to your project wherever you want it to appear old and rusty. Then you're just going to sprinkle on your ground cinnamon, and that will give it the perfect rust look. After you've done this, you'll want to tap the excess off, and I have a piece of wax paper under my project to catch the excess cinnamon, and then that way you can just simply put it back into the bottle when you're finished. You'll just continue on repeating this process until you get the desired effect. Guys, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure that notification bell is set to all, because I would love to have you join my little growing channel here on YouTube. It would mean the world to me. And if you're into that old weathered look, I also have a tip on how you can galvanize practically anything. I'll be sure to link that video in the description box below. And there you have it, that rusted look that we all love on our projects. Thank y'all so much for watching. And until next time, y'all go get your craft on.